What's up guys, it's your boy John, back again here with another video. Today we are going to be working on the Integra Type S, and as you can see we have the carbon fiber OEM accessory, and we're going to be replacing that with some EOS Extreme Online Stores more aggressive one, which I can show you right here. My garage is a little messy, been busy for, you know, family stuff. And they look very, very similar. So let me just show you a comparison right here. So for you might say, hey, it looks very similar, but you can see that towards the end right here, it flares up more. The design is the same curves. It just flares up a little bit more. And it's gonna sit, let me try to gently place this down. Gently. Scratch up the paint. But, let me see if I can show you that. So, it kicks out the same, it even has the same bump. But you can see right here, I know it's not the most precision accurate. Look at that. It's about 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches. Let's show that again. You see how it flares up a little bit more? It's really apparent right here. Same, but this goes up higher. So this actually, it starts to bend a little bit higher, which is nice. And also, they did the weave a little bit different, where this one's just consistent. This one has the split down the middle, which a lot of supercars have it like that. Let me see if my NSX looks like that. Yeah, so the NSX also OEM, but you see how it splits in the middle. Same for the front, and I don't know about the roof. Roof is just one piece, one leg, but they split it off, giving it a nice chevron look. Right here, it's also split, so it's a nice touch. A little like a supercar look, where it splits it up and forms a V. Other than that, I did ceramic coat this. This one needs to still ceramic coat just to protect it a little bit more, but the quality is really nice. So I'm gonna do some before and after pictures or some videos so you can see how it sits. Now this one does sit a lot more aggressive than just the stock one, and it is a nice beautiful piece on its own. Alright, thank you guys for watching. That is the EOS Extreme Online Stores spoiler. It's really dope, great fitment. Like how you bolt it on with the existing holes. And I do like the aggressiveness, but it looks very similar to stock. Not the stock, but the OEM one, just a little bit more aggressive. You can kind of see it in the back right there. Hopefully my comparisons really show it, but in person, I don't think many people will be able to spot the difference. But if you know about the OEM one, then you'll be able to know the difference. But for the most part, it looks OEM, which is great, except that the stuff we talked about. I'm just really happy with the fitment, and you can save a lot of money compared to the OEM dealer upgrade, because the OEM dealer upgrade is like $1,000 for them to install it. But you can install it for pretty easy. So thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Howdy, got my Acura Type S. So pretty clean. Intrusion, so make sure like the I got that one snugged. How to do the other one?